festival?
Yung kami.
Siyempre po, sa paparating namin na World Tour, sana po karoon kami ng show sa Coachella or Lollapalooza soon, bigger stage and mas maraming artists. Sana po.
Sana.
And of course, isa din yun, siguro, since mag-tour kami sa US, hopefully makapag-work kami with international producers din and artists doon. And I think that would really help us a lot in terms of our career then and for our music to thrive.
Can you answer you?
Bakit ba?
First, Manila concert scene. Can you share how the Simula at Wakas era has personally affected you both as artists and as individuals?
Siguro po as artist, parang kasi po for Simula at Wakas, naging very ambitious kami. Pero siguro hindi siya dun tumitigil lang. So in the future releases na gagawin namin, if we've already planned something, siguro better yung mas maaga pong preparation para mapagandaan maraming mas mangyari. Kasi medyo mahirap na igitan yung sinagad na namin, yung ginawa namin yun. So, probably more innovation sa team namin. And bigger and grander.
We actually mas taking this. For this one, parang isip namin. Yung ulo na. Kasi gagawin na namin yung mga dreams namin gawin for SB9. Doesn't matter kung ano yung kapalit. Basta na-try namin everything. Parang mas naging ganito. And siguro dahil galing po kami last year sa mga solo endeavors namin, marami po kami natutunan na na-apply namin sa buhay.
Okay. For TV Patrol, from the Simula at Wakas at the Philippine Arena to Bicol Music Festival in
Bicol po, no? Hindi ba color?
Okay. What do fans expect from the World Tour?
With the World Tour, syempre expect na po nila na we will be performing yung mga newly releases namin. But hindi namin ma-promise na ma-deliver namin yung same level ng production kick-off. Syempre, given yung mga logistics, mga connections na meron kami doon, syempre magda-downscale na talaga kami ng show. But syempre nandun pa rin yung quality ng show and yung storytelling nandun pa rin siya, yung buong journey ng SB19. And more on interaction talaga with the fans kasi yun yung na-miss nila, sobrang tagal na namin hindi sila nakita. And yun yung na-miss din namin gawin is to talk to them, to interact and perform for them. So yun, super excited. And marami pa yung look forward. Siguro hindi lang yan. Siguro pag nagkaroon din ng chance na magkaroon ng project dun sa mismong city or place na nandun kami, pag nabigyan ng chance, why not? Sana.
Of course, kahit siguro, gaya na sabi ni Stel kanina, medyo mag-downscale kami in terms of like sa production, sa setting ng stage namin. We will make sure na 100% best pa rin yung ibigay namin because wala kami na yun yung diyan kami minahan ng aming mga fans, kami minahan ng 18. So, hindi namin hayaan na mabigo sila, yung expectations nila pagdating sa kung anong kayaan, what we will bring to the table. So, yun po, bibigyan namin lahat sa tour na to since we love taking risk and we believe na for taking risks, mag-grow kami. Meron ding magandang kapalit and meron na, kaya sabi Diyos kanina, whatever happens, kung maganda man o hindi, we will face it head on. So.
Okay, last question from the corner. May hangover pa rin ba from Simula at Wakas?
Actually po,
Are you still motivated after what were the biggest shows? Okay, first question. May hangover
Meron pa.
from Simula?
Actually, meron pa. Hanggang ngayon nga, ako personally nakakausap ko pa rin po yung mga cast ng show. And kahit sila, di pa sila nakaka-move on, lagi pag nag-chat, ang pinag-uusapan pa rin namin is yung performances, tapos nagbibiroan kami, cute na, pasok na, gano'n. So parang feeling ko, hindi lang kami yung may PCB, feeling ko yung buong team talaga. May PCB, even direct PAO talaga. And, ayun, kung di pa kayo nakaka-move on, may chance pa kayong mapanood ulit kami. We still have tickets pa sa ibang stops namin like Calgary and sa Hawaii and Singapore. Pwede nyo po kami mapanood doon. Malalapit lang naman yun sa inyo, for sure, especially Singapore. And sa mga kababayan natin dyan in AP, sa Honolulu, Hawaii, and sa Calgary, mapapanood nyo po kami. Para sa mga nakakamiss namin, mas magkikita pa ulit tayo, mapapanood yung show na pinagawa natin. Yun yung sagot sa first question.
Okay. Follow up. How do you stay motivated after what were the biggest shows of your life?
Motivation namin, panigurado, number one din yung fans natin. Yung sarili namin, yung hard work namin, yung nilaan namin ng oras, yung sweat and tears para maabot namin kung ano meron kami ngayon. Definitely yun yung motivation namin. And of course, gusto namin na, alam mo yan, through all the years ng career namin, we've been through a lot and gusto namin patunayan na kaya din talaga natin. Kaya talaga natin. Siyempre, para din sa ibang tao na maniwala din sila para sa sarili nila. Kasi pinapakita namin na pinagawalaan ng sarili natin. And of course, yun yung gusto namin parating sa kanila, to inspire them na kahit hindi ka man ang galing sa malaking background, at least ako ipapakita mo and gagawin mo kung ano yung talaga yung best mo. You can do it. At least, wala kang regrets kasi ginawa ka.
Maraming salamat.